Dear students, good morning to all. Now we will going to learn about chapter 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animal climate. Okay, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Okay, now we will go to this chapter. Okay, all of you take a book. Book page number 68. Chapter 7. Weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Okay. Okay. Listen. Do you remember the things that you were asked to pack when you were heading for a hill station? When the sky is cloudy, your parents insist that you carry an umbrella. Have you heard elders in your family discuss weather before planning family functions? You must have also heard experts discussing. Okay, listen. The weather before the start of a game. Okay, listen. The many of our daily activities are planned based on the weather predicted for the day. There are daily reports of the weather. Listen, there are daily reports of the weather on the television and radio in the newspaper. Okay, but do you know that this weather really is? In this chapter, we will study about the weather and climate. Okay, in this chapter, we will study about the weather and climate. We will also see how different forms of life are adapted to the climate of their habitat. Okay, okay, listen. Now we will go to discuss about weather. 7.1 weather. All of you see your book, page number 68. Okay, listen. We find that the daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity and rainfall during the past 24 hours. All of you underline the word in your pencil. So all of you take your pencil and underline the word. We find the daily weather report carries informations about the temperature, humidity and rainfall during the past 24 hours. It also predicts the weather for the day. Humidity, as you might know, is the measure of the moisture in air. Okay. Humidity, as you might know, is a measure of the moisture in air. Underline the word, students. Measure of the moisture in air. Can you understand? Next, listen. Weather. You see your book. A sample of a weather report from a newspaper. Okay, see the weather report: sunset, sunrise, moonset, moonrise. Okay, the weather reports here in your book, page number 68. Okay, listen. See the box. The weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department. Underline the word. The weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. This department collects data on temperature, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. Underline the word. Next, weather. What is weather? The weather of a place can be defined as the measure of its daily atmospheric conditions. Okay, all of you see the video carefully. See, all of you see. The weather of a place can be defined as the measure of its daily atmospheric conditions such as humidity, temperature, lightning events, rainfall storms, snow and so on. The different elements of weather. What are the different elements of weather? rainfall, temperature, humidity, snowfall, storms, winds, etc. What are the different elements of weather? Rainfall, temperature, humidity, snowfall, storms, winds, etc. That's all. Okay, can you understand? Okay. Next, different types of weather. What are the different types of weather? Sunny, cloudy. Okay. Next, partly cloudy, hot, warm, cold, windy, breezy, rainy. Okay. Next, a weather report generally contains the information about the weather of the day. All of you see the video. Next, see the book. Okay. All of you see the video fast. The main important some words. Okay. A weather report generally contains the informations about the weather of the day. It's very must. Okay. Can you understand? The government has a special department called meteorological department, okay, that predict the weather of a place and prepare the weather report. The weather report is generally published in where? Newspaper, radio and television. All of you know the students? All of you know? Okay, the weather report is generally published in newspaper, radio and televisions. The weather forecast is important for people because many of our day-to-day activities are based on weather conditions. For example, we can check the possibility of rainfall on a particular day and carry an umbrella with us accordingly. Okay. Okay. Next, see the book, activity 7.1. Cut out the weather reports of the last week from any newspaper. Okay, can you understand? If you do not get a newspaper at home, borrow from your neighbors or friends and copy these reports in your notebook. You can also collect weather reports from a library. Paste all the cutouts on a white sheet or on a chart paper. Okay, the new record the informations from the weather reports. The first row is just a sample. Fill all the columns according to the data in the chart that you have prepared. Can you understand the activity 7.1? So, students, all of you do this activity 7.1. Okay, listen. Next, the collect the data. Okay, table 7.1, weather data of a week. So, students, all of you fill the data. Okay, next class we will discuss the weather data of a week. So, you will write the answers. Next class we will discuss the weather data of a week. Okay. Next, listen. Rain gauge. What does mean by rain gauge? It is one of the measuring instrument. Okay, rain gauge is a measuring instrument. What is the measuring of instruments? What is it measuring? What does it measure? To measure the rainfall of a place, an instrument. Rainfall. Underline the word. See your book. To measure the rainfall of a place, an instrument called the rain gauge is used. The rain gauge collects the rainwater of origin and has a measuring scale which determines the quantity of rainfall of that place. Okay, to measure the rainfall of a place, an instrument called the rain gauge is used. The rain gauge collects the rainwater of origin and has a measuring scale which determines the quantity of rainfall of that place. Okay, that is a rain gauge. Listen, see the book. All of you see your book, page number 69. All of you take a pencil also. Okay, rainfall is measured by an instrument called the rain gauge. Underline the word. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called the rain gauge. It is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. Okay, top to collect the rainwater. Okay. Do all the 7 days have the same maximum and minimum temperature, humidity and rainfall? The maximum and minimum temperature recorded may be the same for some of the days. However, all the parameters, underline the word, all the parameters are not the same on any 2 days. Over a week, there may be considerable variation. Okay, bracket the word. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at the place. Bracket the word. Okay, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. The temperature, humidity and other factors are called elements of the weather. Bracket the word. The temperature, humidity and other factors are called elements of the weather. Bracket the word, students, in your pencil. The weather of a place changes day after day and week after week. Underline the word. The weather of a place changes day after day and week after week. Okay, this why we often say weather is too humid or the weather was warm last week. Okay, the weather is such a complex phenomenon that it can vary over very short periods of time. Okay, it can happen sometimes it's sunny in morning, the suddenly clouds appear, the starts raining heavily. The heavy rain may vanish in a matter of minute and give way, bring sunshine, bright sunshine. You must have had several such experiences. Okay, try to recall any such experience and share it with your friends. Okay, listen, all of you see, look at the graph given below which shows the maximum temperature record during August 3rd, then 2006 to 2009 August, 2006 at Shlech. Okay, next listen, all of you see the next listen, page number, take page number 70. All of you see the graph. Just draw a graph in your book, page number 70. Okay, the maximum temperature, all of you see the table, the maximum temperature, date and the maximum temperature. As it is clear from any weather report, the maximum and minimum temperature are recorded every day. Underline the word. All of you underline the word. The maximum and minimum temperatures are recorded every day. Every day recorded the maximum and minimum temperatures. Do you know how those temperatures are recorded? In this chapter 4, you have learned that there are special thermometers in this chapters 4. The purpose is called the maximum and minimum temperatures. Okay, are you remember, students, the chapter 4? Are you remember, students? Are you remember heat? Chapter 4 heat. Are you remember maximum and minimum temperature, minimum thermometer? Okay, can you guess when the during day we have the maximum temperature and when the minimum? Listen, all of you see the video. The weather report of a place always includes the minimum and maximum temperature of the day, which are measured using minimum maximum thermometer. Okay, minimum and maximum thermometer. The minimum temperature can be experienced in the morning time. The maximum temperature is experienced in the afternoon time. Okay, can you understand? The minimum temperature and maximum temperature. The minimum temperature in morning time, the maximum temperature at the afternoon time. Okay. Okay, this is a maximum and minimum thermometer. Okay, all of you see the video. This is a maximum and minimum thermometer. This is a maximum and minimum thermometer. All of you see the picture. Already you see, already you know this picture. Already you know maximum and minimum thermometer. Okay. Next, the maximum temperature of the day occurs. All of you see the book. All of you see your book. The maximum temperature, page number 70. All of you see your book. Underline the word. The maximum and minimum thermometer, underline the word first. The special thermometer for this purpose called the maximum and minimum thermometer. All of you underline the word. Next, this also underline the word. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon. Underline the word, is very must. While the minimum temperature occurs generally in early morning. Early morning means 4 o'clock morning, early morning 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. That time 5 to 6, 4 to 6, that time the minimum temperatures. The maximum temperatures afternoon. Afternoon means after 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Okay. Okay. Can you understand? Okay. Underline the word in your book, page number 70. Okay, next. All of you see the box. All of you listen the box, page number 70. All changes in the weather are caused by the sun. Underline the word. All changes in the weather are caused by the sun. The sun is huge sphere of hot gases at a very high temperature. The distance of the sun from us is very large. Even then, the energy sent out by the sun is so huge that it is a source of all heat and light on the earth. So, the sun is primary source of energy. Underline the word. The sun is the primary source of energy that causes changes in the weather. Underline the word. The sun is the primary source of energy that causes changes in the weather. Energy absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface. Energy absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface. Underline the word. Next, oceans and the atmosphere play important role in determining the weather at any place. If you live near the sea, you would have realized that weather at your place is different from that of place in a desert or near a mountain. Can you understand? Okay, next, climate. What is climate? The meteorologists record the weather every day. The records of the weather have been preserved for the past several decades. Okay, these help us to determine the weather pattern at a place. All of you bracket the word. The average weather pattern taken over a long time. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. If we find that the temperature at a place is high most of the time. Listen, see the video. Climate. The climate of a place can be defined as the prevailing weather conditions of the place for long period of time. For example, 25 years. Underline the word. For example, 25 years called the climate of the place. For example, the temperature of Rajasthan is generally high throughout the year and it does not receive much rainfall. So we can say that Rajasthan is a hot and dry place. Just an example. Okay. The different climates on, see the picture. Different climates on earth. Listen. See the picture. The orange color, tropical. Yellow, dry. Green, temperate. D, conditional. E, polar. See. All of you see your book, page number 71. Then we say the climate of the place is hot. Okay, all of you see. You find out the temperature at a place is most high most of the time. Then we say that the climate, underline the word. Then we say that the climate of the place is hot. If there is also heavy rainfall, underline the word, on most of the days in same place. On most of the days in same place. Then we can say that the climate of that place is hot and wet. The place is hot and wet. Okay, listen. Next, we will see the table 7.2 and 7.3. All of you see the picture. We have given the climatic condition at two places in India. Okay. The mean temperature for a given month is found in two steps. The first, we find the average of the temperatures recorded during the month. Second, we calculate the average of such average temperatures over many years. That gives the mean temperature. The two places are, listen, 7.2 and 7.3 table in your book, page number 71. Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Okay, the temperature. See the table. Okay. Okay, all of you see the table, page number 71. First, 7.2, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Information about climate. Information about climate. All of you see the table, month, mean temperature. Next, mean total rainfall. Listen, month January to February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September to December. Okay. Next, daily minimum, daily maximum temperature. Then total rainfall in millimeter. Okay. Next, Thiruvananthapuram. For example, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. See the table 7.3. Information about the climate, month January to December. Next, mean temperature, daily maximum degree 0 degree Celsius temperature. Okay. Next, mean total rainfall. Total of rainfall in millimeter. All of you see the table. The information about of climate, that monthly. Okay, the monthly data collecting the climatic conditions. The weekly data collecting, monthly data collecting, day to day collecting the informations. This information is collecting about the month January to December. Next page number 72. All of you take page number 72. Take page number 72. By looking tables 7.2 and 7.3, we can easily see the difference in the climate of Jammu and Kashmir and Kerala. Okay, all of you see the table, the differentiate. Okay, the climatic informations about the climatic conditions to differentiate Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir and Kerala. Okay. We can see the Kerala is very hot and wet in comparison to Jammu and Kashmir, which has a moderately hot and wet climate for a part of the year. Similar data for the western region of India. For example, underline the word. Similar data for the western region of India. Underline the word. For example, students underline the word. Rajasthan will show that the temperature is high during most part of the year, but during winter, which lasts only for a few months, the temperature is quite low. Okay, this region receives very little rainfall. This is the typical desert climate. Underline the word. This is a typical desert climate. Underline the word, students. Once again, listen. Similar data for the western region of India, for example, Rajasthan, will show that the temperature is high during most part of the year. But during winter season, okay, underline the word during winter, which lasts only for a few months, the temperature is quite low. Okay, this region receives very little rainfall. This is a typical desert climate. It is hot and dry. Underline the word. The northeastern India receives rain for a major part of the year. Therefore, we can say that the climate of the northeast is wet. Underline the word. Therefore, we can say that the climate of the northeast is wet. Okay, can you understand? Okay, next, climate and adaptation. 7.3, climate and adaptation. The climate has profound effect on all living organisms. Okay, animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. The animals living in very cold and hot climate, underline the word. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess the special features to protect themselves. Extreme cold or heat, underline the word. Extreme cold or heat. Recall from the chapter 9 of your class 6th science book. Okay, recall or you remember, students, the climatic conditions of animals. Okay, already we learned about in 6th standard chapter 9. Okay, next. The features and habitats that help animals to adapt to their surroundings are a result of the process of evolution. Okay. Okay. Next. Listen. In this chapter 9, you will learn about the effect of weather climate on soil. Here we will study effect of climate on animals only. In class 6th standard, you have read about some adaptations of animal already, or you remember, students, in 6th standard chapters, adaptations of animals habitats. Okay. Okay. And examples of adaptations of animals to climatic conditions, we discuss only animals living in polar regions and tropical rainforest. Underline the word, students. Polar regions and tropical rainforest. Underline the word. As the same suggests, the polar regions are situated near the poles, North Pole and South Pole. Underline the word. North Poles and South Pole. Some well-known countries that belongs to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberian region of Russia. Okay, some well-known countries that belongs to polar regions, and bracket the word. These are polar regions. Okay, bracket the word. Next, examples of some countries where the tropical rainforest are found in. Tropical rainforest, where it is tropical rainforest found in India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. And a few, underline the word, some example of tropical regions. Okay, the countries where the tropical rainforest, underline the word, tropical rainforest are found in. Where it is tropical rainforest, which one of the following is the tropical rainforest? Okay, it's a one word answers. So all of you bracket the answer. Next, activity. Okay, 7.2. Take an outline map of the world. Mark the polar region in blue. Similarly, mark the tropical region. Okay, take your outline map, India outline map. Okay, outline world map. Okay, outline map of world. Mark the polar region. Okay, in blue. Similarly, mark the tropical region in red. Okay, this activity. Do this activity, students. Take a world map outline. Okay. Then mark the polar region and tropical region. Polar region, mark in regions in blue. Mark in blue. Next, tropical region, mark in red. So, students, all of you do this activity. Okay. Next class, we will go to discuss about remaining two topics, the polar region and tropical region. Then we will discuss the book exercise and question and answers in the next class. Okay. In the remaining 2 topics, next class we will discuss that topics and book exercise and question and answers. Okay. That's all. Okay students. Thank you.